So, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can refurbish your wheels, and yeah, I'm gonna show you everything you need, and you don't need any fancy tools, and this is how it's gonna look like when it's like done. So here is before and after, and as you can see, it looks really good in the end results. It's taking a couple of hours to do this, but if you have patience and don't want to spend a lot of money to leave it at a shop, you can do this at home with no fancy tools. So the things you're gonna need to do this is 120 sandpaper, 240 and 400 to get a really nice surface. And oh yeah, if the wheels are spray painted, you're also gonna need a paint remover, and I used this as a paint remover, and there are some different techniques to remove paint. I sprayed this on and used like a plastic piece to scratch it off, and then I used paper. You can also use like a power washer. But back here you also gonna need rim primer, paint and clear coat, and some alcohol to wash off all the dust on the wheel. And I know, before everyone commenting this is not 2K primer, I know I have a very tight budget, and I just want to show that you can do this with not having the biggest budget, because 2K clear coat and primer is kind of expensive. And I don't have the money at the moment, so if you really want to support the channel, make sure to subscribe, because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. But as you can see now, I have already sanded down all the wheels, and it takes a couple of days, but it's really worth the time. This one is actually ready for paint. I only gonna paint one wheel today because I really want to finish the video. So enjoy.
So if you're gonna remove spray paint, don't use the power wash at first. Try to scrape it off with a plastic scraper, or using paper to just wipe it off, because this was not that effective as I thought. And sorry if the microphone sounding shit. I'm at a hotel room without my studio microphone because I am out working.
Finally removed all the color from the lips here, and I have also sand down the first layer with 120 sandpaper, and yeah, I took some different approach on all the wheels. Like you see here, there are a lot of scratches here. Is because we tried to use like a steel brush on an angle grinder, and it removed all the color, but those scratches are very deep. So we probably have to put some putty on that wheel and also that one. This one is just sanded with sandpaper with no machines, and it's the same with this one. So as I was saying in the beginning of the video, you don't need any fancy tools. It's just I have tried a different approach. But this wheel and this is just sanded with sandpaper. And I gonna leave this lip here polished, because we tried to like polish up here. I haven't sanded down. I'm not done with the sanding yet, but you can see the difference between here and here, and it looks pretty good. So we're only gonna paint the centrum, and the reason why I doesn't like sand down anything here is because you're gonna cover this anyway. So I probably just gonna spray paint this over because you doesn't gonna see it anyway. So the next step now is to sand down with 240, and after that is 400. I probably don't really gonna film it because yeah, you know the drill. It's probably gonna be a very short time lapse when I'm sanding just one wheel. So see you in a few hours when I'm done. So one wheel is actually done sanding. I have gone through all 3 steps and the surface feels really nice. So what I'm gonna do now is to clean it up with alcohol and mask it around like the lips, so we don't get any color around here. And then it's actually time to put on primer and color. So this is the most exciting part. So far this turning out really well, and the only thing that's left now is the clear coat. And the only thing I noticed was that is here in this area, you can see the surface is not the best. I think when I used the Dremel tool, I went too far. But overall, it looks very nice from like the distance. And that is actually the only area where it actually looks kind of bad. But overall, it looks very nice.
Just to show you the vision, it's gonna look 10 times better than the winter wheels, and it looks just 10 times better than it did before. Yeah, but like I said, I think I said it before, I'm gonna buy bigger tires. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look like.
So as I showed you when I was outside and I had put the wheel beside the car, this is like the end results, and it looks really nice. And for like, this was the first time I ever tried something like this, and I'm super happy with the result. And if you have wheels that are spray painted, you should definitely try to do this. And for the Honda boys who watched my latest video, those wheels is actually going to be on the Honda. So this is one of the parts, yeah, for the Honda builds. So yeah, those gonna be on the car over the summer, and for the next season I probably gonna buy like small wheels like my friend did. He actually bought those. So he got those wheels, and I probably gonna have like Japanese small wheels from the 80s too in the future, but for now I don't have the money to spend, so have to finish up this the next weekend. And yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure to really subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and if we can reach that before the summer, it would be so awesome. Because if I can reach 1,000, I can actually start to make money from YouTube, and that would be so cool.
There's a problem with the